morning, guys. Today is Animal Kingdom. We're walking to it. Another day, another day. Today is actually our last day, pretty much. Our last day with the parks. We leave tomorrow night. It's been real. It's been an epic birthday trip for Rain. Come along. Shiloh had to stay in the hotel room for the past couple of days because it's been rainy and stuff, and you know, it's just a lot. She's not gonna want to bring her on all the rides, but she insisted that today she had to come bring her. So Shiloh's coming to Animal Kingdom today. Do you have a ticket for her? You do? Okay. Animal Kingdom. Walking in. Look at these little guys just walking around.
So it goes.
I smell it. We are entering. We are now in Africa section. Going to a safari ride, so let's go. Safari time. You don't want. Are you scared to sit on the end? We're gonna see all the animals. We're going on the safari ride. Woo! We're gonna see some animals.
Mom, there's no cameras allowed.
No flash. No flash.
Here we go. This is also where I like to call the teamwork safari.
It's
So
bumpy.
if you see any animals, let me know. You don't want to shout at the animals. That will actually make them go away from the truck, and we don't want that. But let me know, and we will talk about it. But we do have our first animal starting on the right and left. So we've got the okapi on the right, and the bongo is hiding all the way up there on the left. But many believe the okapi is related to the zebra, but they're actually relatives. Up ahead on the left, you'll see the black rhinoceros.
Oh, you see it, Mama?
There was one all the way up there. This one's a little bit closer at our picture spot.
Right there. Oh.
There's a hippo on the left. Hippos can weigh up to 5,500 pounds. And baby hippos are about 85 pounds and they're born.
Oh, look at the hippo. You see, Mommy?
Oh, right there. When baby wildebeest are born, they can run within the first 15 minutes after birth because even the little ones have to be ready to move. Antelope is the animal all the way towards the back. They have that brown coat. They're the emblem by up to 15 degrees. They have very large blood vessels behind their ears that help them to do that. they will start to turn pink after eating brine shrimp because there is beta carotene in that shrimp. It helps them turn that very pretty pink color. And those gray flamingo will start to turn pink around a year to a year and a half.
Oh no.
We look delicious though. Just looking for socks.
Although they are birds, they cannot fly, but they will use their wings.
Very true. They use that beak to pick things up like snakes. Look at the snakes. Pick them up, shake them around, slurp them back like spaghetti. It's real gross. Yeah, but whoa! That's very true. These animals act like vultures, so vultures eat dead things, right? Carrion, well, they'll do the same by using that long beak. Okay, so she's a beautiful predator that somebody flew over, so I thought...
Bald eagle was officially taken off the endangered species list.
There are still animals on this planet just like the blue-throated macaw that need our help. This is Zelda.
Blue-throated macaw.
Now, hang on!
This is our last day. Our flight actually leaves later on, so we are just dressed. Bell service came to get our bags, so we're just gonna chill out, eat some food and everything. Our bus comes tonight at 6, so that's what we're doing. Bye. So yeah. Rainy, wanna say something? You got it. I don't think they can hear you because they're doing the stuff.
And I
the morning.
Yeah.
They're gonna come along with us for our last day.
Oh, okay, bye.
Okay.
Okay, I want to hang out something.
Okay. So we were staying at the Cabanas. This is how they look if anybody's interested. I'm going to try to put in a quick room tour. Our room, you know, we were staying there, so it was a little bit too messy. I thought it wasn't tasteful to do it. I should have recorded it prior to us using the room. It's just that everything, as you can see from the previous videos, everything was go time. As I was saying, it was go time, so I couldn't show y'all earlier, and I don't think it's best to show y'all now because the room looks hella messy. Not good advertisement. I'm gonna see if one of my I guess it was a large group of us, if one of the other rooms are a little bit more decent to show you, to give you a vibe of what the rooms look like. Typically I'm told that all the rooms look alike. It's pretty much the same style, I think, even in the tower too, so you can have a feel for what your room will look like. So hopefully, if so, I'll insert it here. Okay, y'all, so I was able to get some quick footage of what the room looks like. So I'm going to do a voiceover and guide you guys through so you can see and have an idea. Okay, so this is the walk-in. This is on the walk-in. Walk into the room. We're entering the room now. So the first thing you see when you enter the room is this long dresser that has drawers. Right above it is a TV, and then to the left you have like a little coffee area. Has a Keurig machine as well as these two shelves. You know, one's filled with cups and creamers and things of that nature. There's also a little desk light as well, which is in between the TV and the coffee area, in case you wanted to, you know, sit down and look at something. You have a light to help you to do so. Right next to the light, there's actually a couple of outlets, you know, regular outlets where you can actually plug in whatever has a, you know, a regular plug, a phone, a camera. It's a regular outlet. Okay, so this room is a double room. It has two queen size beds. As you see, I have one shown. The other, as you saw right before I froze this, it was on the other side. From the room, it leads directly into the bathroom, which you see these two double doors here. They do slide and you walk through there to get to the bathroom. The first part of the bathroom is where the double sinks are, which you're about to see. So as you walk in the bathroom, straight ahead in the bathroom is the portion where the sinks are. Okay, so now we're entering the bathroom area. So to the left, when you first enter the bathroom, you see it's a closet. There's hangers, there's an ironing board, there's extra blanket and pillow that most hotel rooms come with. At the bottom, there's also a safe. I just wanted to pause here because I want you to see the lighting in the bathroom was absolutely beautiful. Do y'all see like these LED lighting type of strips? Amazing. It really, if you're one of those people that put on makeup, the lighting was phenomenal for any type of makeup application and things of that nature. Also, I'm not sure if you can see, but there was a lot of storage. There's shelves, there's cabinets underneath each double sink. A lot of room to put different types of toiletries. Now we're coming into the next part of the bathroom. This side has another sliding door. Right now it's kept open, and this leads you into where the toilet and the shower is. The shower has it's a shower tub combo with a sliding door as well. And as you see, I'm showing you that section was where actually the toilet is. It's been real. We are out of here. We are waiting for the Magical Express to be back on our way. We actually stayed in this building right over here. But yeah, we are out of here. We are out of here. See you later, Coronado Springs. See you later, Disney World. See you later, Universal Studios. See you later, Orlando. The party is done.
Wow.
It's been real. See you next time.